Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Metal TV on mobile. So step 1, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Metal TV and install it. Once installed, launch the app and log in with your Metal account or create one. If you're new, step 2, when you first open Metal, it will prompt you to allow screen recording audio access and overlay permissions. Grant all permissions so the recorder can detect when you are gaming. Step 3. Launch a supported game from within the Metal app, or let it detect your active game. A small Metal Record button will appear on your screen. Step 4. Tap the overlay button while playing to record the last 30 seconds or hold it to record live. Step 5. Go back to the Metal app and navigate to the Library tab. Here you can trim, mute, add captions, and tag your clip before sharing. Step 6. After editing, tap Next to add a title tags and then upload your clip to Metal Cloud. You can also share directly to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, or Discord. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.